Okay, you just have to turn it on and search for it. Okay, once it's connected together, as you can see, it's showing no internet. So the next thing you're going to do is to head over to your mobile device and go to Play Store. We'll be using an app known as Every Prosy. Go to Play Store and just search for Every Prosy right here, and click on it. Yeah, this is it right here. As you can see, it's installed on my phone. So you just have to open the app, and also you go to your PC and just locate your settings, or just press the Windows key plus I, then you open the settings, and on this just tap on and search for proxy. Yeah, just click on proxy settings. Okay, this is it right here. Now just click on setup and make sure to use the proxy is turned on, is activated. Now on your mobile device, you have to click on HTTP. Yes, click on it, and you will notice that I have an IP here, 192.168.105.53. So this is the IP you're going to put here. Now I want you to know that this IP changes every time you refresh this every proxy, or every time you put on this every proxy. So it's not always the same, so you have to come back and check the every proxy, and to come and check the proxy server on your PC to make sure it's the same as the IP address on your every proxy. Okay, now we have to put 192.168.105.53. okay, so when we do this, make sure the port is 8080. So you just have to click on save. And you will see that it will start reading here. So the moment it starts reading, it's automatically connected, and you can start surfing the internet. So you have to make sure that's connected. Make sure it's connected together with your hotspot, and you will see to start reading from here. As you can see, it starts reading. Yeah, so now you have successfully connected your VPN to your PC and can now enjoy the internet for free without any obstacle. Yeah, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more. Thank you.